Hey guys, MAHCreator here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a hyperbolic paraboloid, which is a very complicated name for a cool square that does cool foldy thingies here. This right here, what you see, is actually the prototype that I made, and of course I didn't design this, but it is a very interesting design that I think you guys would like to know how to make. So let's get on with the video.
You're gonna break my heart. You're gonna tear it apart. No matter what you do, I'll still be there for you. And when you call my name, I won't be far away. No matter where you go, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No, you'll never be alone. Be alone, be alone. No
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the Hyperbolic Paraboloid. If you like this video, please make sure to comment down, like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. And also you need to make sure to check the description because I have a very important challenge for all of those of you who are subscribed and are artistically inclined. And with that, guys, MAHCreator is out.
You're gonna tear it apart.